Hey guys. Hey everybody, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I've got an assortment of keys that you have probably been looking for your whole life if you are an electrician. Here's the key set for you. It's called the BDESW Electric Switch Key Set. Wow. I think you need it. You can get it from bluedogkeys.com. And I'm going to show you a close-up view of these bad boys. Let's get a look. Here's the paperwork that comes with the keys. Good thing you got this. Kind of tells a little bit about the keys. You need to know this stuff. It's a BDESW. And here's the keys close up. Look at that. Wow, those are cool. Those really are. If you're an electrician and you got some electric switch plates, I guess, or whatever they go to, you guys know, you're electricians. If you're in a maintenance position and you have some kind of electric switches, here's the keys for you. Okay guys, here's the electric switch keys. Pretty cool, huh? Comes with this paperwork. Here's the keys close up. You probably know what you're looking at. I don't know too much about these type of keys, but I know where to get them. bluedogkeys.com. Yeah, that's where to go, right there. Now I have a community post where I show these keys, and also generic code. You cannot cut these keys. You have to buy these already pre-manufactured. But there you are. Please subscribe to my channel. Go to my community post. We'll have more things like this coming your way in the future. Yeah. What could be in this? Man. All right, here we go. I don't know what's in here. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Share this with your friends. Ooh, let's get back to the show. I can't believe it. Do you know what this is? Leave it down in the description. This is such an assortment of wonderfulness. I can't wait to show you what this stuff does. Assortments of beautifulness. You have all kinds of keys that go in all kinds of stuff that maintenance guys need. Blue Dog Keys, they have two companies. They have put an assortment for the maintenance guy of all the keys that you would ever want. Oh man, I can't hardly believe it. This is so cool. You realize if you're a maintenance guy and you get a box like this of all these goodies. This is beautiful. Electrical switches. Shows you what I don't know. I'm not a maintenance guy, but wow, cool, huh? Cool, cool. Blue Dog top 30 assortments. I think I got the top 30. Oh man. I know so many people that have called me and said, hey, you got one of these things? And I'm like, no, I don't have nothing. I don't carry dispenser keys. So I'm passing up work, right? Sad. There's going to be more fun coming your way. Fun, we're talking fun. Ooh, look at here. This is a cutter. You know what this cutter's for? It's for one of those tubular locks. This cuts out the lock when you can't get it open. When they make a pick that'll get these open. Do you know what this is? This is a tool that you put a key in. This is so highly cool. It does not hurt the key. Look at this quality. Does not hurt the key. We'll take a key, Some guys are really good at this. There are videos that will blow your mind. Look at this, one-handed. You tighten down the end here. It's like a vise, a drill press chuck, and it holds the key in. Ooh, it's already as strong as an ox. But look at this. Is this beautiful or what? I have so much fun just buying this tool. Anyway, that's a whole nother world in itself. Impressioning tool. Okay, guys, you saw it. You saw it for the first time. I'm going to have a show on all this stuff. It's all coming your way. Please subscribe to my channel. You are going to have so much fun. I know I am. This is a blast. We got lots of stuff from framing coming. If you're a guy that has a locksmith shop and you don't have some of this stuff hanging somewhere, I mean, you're going to have to turn down work. Don't turn down work. Buy these kits. I mean it. This is beautiful. Thank you, framing. We're going to have a lot of fun. A lot of fun with this stuff, guys. Thank you again. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. And this is the framing world of framing like you can't believe. And more is coming. It's just going to blow your brains. Thanks again. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm going to go talk to my wife, see if she likes these things. Maybe. What do you think? Maybe? Yeah. Yeah. We'll have more things like this coming your way in the future.